Alright, so we got the building together. Next thing we're going to do is paint the doors, but first again I want to cut off these little tabs for them, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. We're going to do that the same way that we did the other ones, and I'm just going to leave one tab on so I can hold it while I paint it. Got that together, and I'm going to paint the doors and the styrene plastic hunter green. So I'll give this a good shake. We don't need to water it down. Actually, I should say we don't need to thin it out with any rubbing alcohol. I use that as a thinner when I use the airbrush. I'm not going to be airbrushing these. I'm just going to be hand painting them. Just put a couple of drops in my lid here. I can hold it by the tab that I left on. Alright, while we're waiting for these to dry, I'm just going to put them off to the side for now. I'm going to flip this over. Let's see here. I got this from Walmart. Looks like you can get it at walmart.com. But you know what? Actually, let's do this. I want to paint the styrene sheet that is the rooftop, but I do have wet paint on there. So let's get a paper towel to throw on there. Put my styrene on there, and then I'm going to use black spray paint to cover this. I'm not going to go black. I just wanted a kind of a dark gray. I have a spray paint. This paint was 98 cents at Kmart, or I know it was Kmart, Color Place. So I'm going to give it a little coat with this. We'll get it gray, and then we'll get it fitted and continue from there. Alright, as I was sitting here, I reconsidered my green styrene sheets. I wiped some of the green paint off of them, and I'm going to also give these a coating of the black, and then what I'll do is go over it on the brick red. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to do that now. Complete.
There we go. I'll wait for everything to dry. We'll repaint our doors in a few minutes. Alright, our doors are dry. I actually forgot to turn on the camera, but I painted one already. It's coming out a little bit better. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to paint this one, and then we should be probably have to give it one more coat just to make the green stand out. At least one more coat, I think. You can see here the green's looking a little bit better. I'm putting it on, trying to put it on a little bit thicker. So we'll go ahead, we'll give this a second coat. Probably, I think if we went a third coat, they should be good. Again, we want to make sure we get the top, get the side, the back. I'm going to leave black.
The doors are going to be closed, so you're not going to see the back. So really not too concerned about that. Same thing with the sides, but we'll get them